Number 9. In number 9, they tell us to find a third degree polynomial. That means our highest exponent is going to be x to the third. They tell us -4 is a 0. 3 plus 5i is a 0, which means 3 minus 5i is also a 0, because complex roots come in conjugate pairs. That means x equals -4, x equals 3 plus 5i, and x equals 3 minus 5i. Now we need to get each of these equal to 0, so that's going to be x plus 4 is 0. This is x minus 3 minus 5i is 0. X minus 3 plus 5i is 0. So that means the factors are x plus 4, x minus 3 minus 5i, and x minus 3 plus 5i. Now we're going to have to carefully multiply this together. So I'm going to do the conjugates first. Leave x plus 4 there. And here I've got to carefully multiply x times everything. So that's x squared minus 3x plus 5ix. Now I've got to come back and do minus 3 times everything. That's going to give me minus 3x plus 9 minus 15i. And then finally I need to come back and do the minus 5i times all of them. So that's going to be minus 5ix plus 15i and minus 25i squared. Now I need to clean up this long factor, x plus 4. I have no other x squared, so that's going to be x squared. I have a minus 3x and another minus 3x, so that's a minus 6x. My 5ix and my minus 5ix cancel out. My negative 15i and positive 15i cancel out. But I have a plus 9. And remember, I squared is -1. So negative 25 times -1 is a plus 25. So I end up with x plus 4 times x squared minus 6x plus 34. Now I have to multiply the x plus 4 times everything here. So first I distribute the x. That gives me x cubed, there's my x cubed, minus 6x squared plus 34x. Now I'm going to come back and do the 4. That's plus 4x squared minus 24x plus 4 times 34, which is 136. I do have some like terms. I've got x squared, so I've got a minus 6 and a plus 4. That's a minus 2x squared. I've got a 34 minus 24. That's a plus 10x. And then I've got plus 136. Now they tell me f of 2 is supposed to come out to 156. So I'm going to plug in the 2. 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared plus 10 times 2 plus 136 is 8 minus 2 times 4 plus 20 plus 136. So that's 8 minus 8 plus 20 plus 136. 8 minus 8 is 0. That's 156. So since this came out, I don't need to multiply my polynomial terms by anything. That is my final answer. So this function is f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x plus 136. That's a 10 right there.